Hello friends, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft OpenGL error 1282. Okay, so firstly let's target the most common culprit, outdated and corrupted display drivers. So guys, just right click on your start menu and then go to Device Manager. Then in this list just find your GPU, right to your video card. In my case, let me find it. Where do I have it? Display adapters. There you go. You should have yours here. Right click and update the driver. Also, if you don't want to do it like this, just open up NVIDIA app right here in this menu, go to drivers, and then if you have any other like newest driver at this particular time available, just press on install here. There's going to be a green install button here. Okay, and the last fix that will most likely work for all of you guys, you just need to launch your Minecraft, open the main menu and navigate to options and then click on video settings. Then at the bottom right rows, select other and locate the settings explicitly labeled show GL errors. Also, as you can see, guys on Reddit are saying the same thing. So toggle the switch from on to off. So once again, in my text file, options, video settings, other, show GL errors, and turn it off. This should really help you out, guys. This command stops the rendering engine from aggressively halting your gameplay loop for minor, non-critical visual glitches. That's it, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe.